Alright, what's going on, guys? Out here in my garage, I'm gonna go to E85 right now. Ethanol fuel. So basically, I got some 47-pound injectors. Make sure you do research on what injector you need for, for your application, what size. They have the EV6 connector, even though my car's the EV1 connector. So I got these little adapters. It's the EV6 and then the EV1 right here. So little adapters. So I'm going to install those right now. I already got a Deechworks 340 liter per hour fuel pump. And then I still have the stock lines. I'll replace those later. Internet people, don't freak out. Ethanol is not going to eat it in like a month. So it'll be fine. And then just the bigger injectors. So I went earlier. I went to go get a emailed tune. I didn't get it emailed to me. I went to the guy with my SCT tuner, brought it to him. He uploaded a base map tune just to get it running on ethanol, and then I will bring it to him on Monday and get it dyno tuned to make power from the ethanol. So I guess I'll just get to installing these right now. So see how I have no gas? Before you get the E85, you want to make sure you have no gas. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I already took this off. What I'm going to do is just undo these. Well, first you gotta undo the fuel line. That's pretty easy. You just use a fuel line tool, put it in right there, and then just disconnect this. Make sure you don't drip fuel everywhere. Undo this, undo that, undo the simple things like the fuel pressure sensor. Just like unclip it. Any hoses that are in the way, take those out. Easy, super easy. Just swap out the injectors, put the new injectors in, load the tune. Go driving, get some E85, come back, drop it in here, because remember the car has no gas. And then we're on E85, and then dyno tune later. So that'll be later, another day, but I'll put in the same video, I guess. Alright guys, got a little bit of light with this light. So I got all the injectors out. I couldn't get the fuel rail out because it's stuck in there because it's connected by this. And I didn't want to have to wiggle or take this thing off because it's on there really tight. So just gonna leave the fuel rail here, and then I'm gonna put in the injectors in there. So here's a little comparison. So these are my old injectors, and here's the new ones. That's what we got now. This is what we had. So these look a lot nicer. Go floor. Oh wait, no, there's a red light. Alright guys, we're gonna go fill this thing up with some E85 and then go tune my car, load the tune, and then start the car up and drive it. So we're in Kyle's Subaru right now.
I was having so much fun earlier, like on the way to school, it was raining so hard in PCH, and I turned traction control off, and every corner I would go on, I'll just do this. Just nip it a little bit.
Dude, Jackson told me you can't rip the e-brake in Subarus, and I was like,
nah, you can do it.
Yeah.
You just gotta kind of really like...
Alright, here we go. Start filling this thing up. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys. Put in the 5-gallon. Just got this at AutoZone. Put in the E85 in right now. Let's see if it works. It's probably not going to start, but whatever. We'll get it started. Alright, so everything's filled up, ready to go. This is empty, kind of. Now let's get on the tuner and see if we can... Alright, so time to go in here. Program vehicle. Alright.
During parking mode, event detection
It's my dash cam, if you're wondering. Alright, so there's the E85 right there. Continue.
So you can put the injectors in without taking off the rails? We'll pull the rails off.
Here we go. Now it's gonna go start do its thing, and I will turn this back on once it's all done.
so when you just
All right.
double that up, it's still imbalanced.
Alright, we're ready to go. Download complete. Alright guys, moment of truth. I am so nervous right now. Moment of truth. You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go.
Bro, it's running.
Yes, sir. Let's check to see if there's any leaks.
Oh, it's dry.
Is it dry?
It's pretty dry. We got no leaks.
Dude, it sounds healthy too.
Oh, perfect.
Alright guys, so my car idles fine, but if I leave it idling by itself, then it dies. So like it idles fine for a little bit, and if I were to leave the car unattended and just idle, it dies for some reason. I'm gonna try to drive it around, see how she drives. Ooh, alright guys, what's going on? Car's super dirty because it's been raining. But I want to talk to you a little bit about, you know, how I did the E85, how it all went down. So basically, what I did was, when I was installing my supercharger, I installed a 340 liter per hour fuel pump at the same time, just to get ready, maybe E85 down the road, and I did. So with that, so you want to get a fuel pump, maybe lines if your car needs it, and then injectors. So that's basically it. And then after that, I got 47-pound injectors. Make sure you do research on what size injectors you need. After that, I brought my SCT tuner, which is right here, to my tuner. He uploaded a E85 tune. It actually, I was driving it all last night, and it drives really well. So the car is driving good. It just wasn't really idling at first because the ECU needed to learn with the E85, and it did. So it's driving good now. So all I need to do is just get dyno tuned. So our height wasn't too hard. The injectors went in like 20 minutes. It's pretty easy. Gonna be making a little bit more power soon. That's all that I wanted, just a little bit more. Run cooler maybe. And it smells better. So yeah guys, let's get it. Yo, what's up guys? So it's a new day. It's morning time, so I kind of just woke up. But we're gonna go get tuned on E85 right now. So we're gonna go there right now. Just go get dyno tuned real quick. Hopefully I make a little bit more power with the E85. It's so hard for me to say, but yeah, I'm hyped. Make a little more horsepower, and I'm also tired because I just woke up. But yeah, let's go. The car's not even on yet. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Well, I got some horrible belt squeak. Honestly, I've like never heard that before. Sometimes it'll go like skeet, like just for like half a second, not even half a second, like hundredths of a second. It's like really fast. Makes that squeak noise, but I've never seen it do that before. Let me know in the comments if that's ever happened to you and how you fixed it. Or that might just be a cold start thing, I don't know. But yeah, it starts up first try on E85. It just takes a while. I mean, that I cranked it a little bit longer, but it smells amazing. Like I'm in my garage and it smells so good right now. All right, guys, she's going in. Still got a little more time.
Oh yeah, I haven't touched the timing yet, but I do need to add fuel, so it definitely needs
Okay.
more fuel.
Yes, that's sick.
That's good. No way.
Awesome. Alright guys, final gains from the E85. He said he didn't want to go like too gnarly, so he just put a little bit in, which is fine, but like 352 and then 364, and those were my old numbers. So yeah, we made some pretty good gains. Kind of stoked. 352, 364 torque on E85. So if you want a little more power for really easy, get some E85. Go on E85. Just chilling. This will probably feel super fun. And yeah. So there you go. Super linear curve. Love it. Looking good. Can't wait to drive this thing. Full power on a cold day. Stoked.